The whole country is going through such a hard time. Several Bollywood celebrities amazed us by leaving the country. Yes, multiple Bollywood celebs decided to leave the country and went for their vacations amidst this second wave. Ranbir Kapoor and Alia Bhatt. Recently, in the month of April, when Maharashtra has been failing badly to cope up with the second wave, Ranbir and Alia left for Maldives. The couple was spotted at Mumbai airport leaving for their vacation destination, Maldives, while people were suffering from COVID. Maharashtra saw the highest cases every day in April, and that is when these two Bollywood celebs were enjoying their vacation. Sara Ali Khan. This young actress is now a daily commuter of Maldives, as she often went there along with mother Amrita Singh. Recently, when the country along with Maharashtra is going through this adversity, Sara again jetted off for Maldives. Surprisingly, Amrita Singh too accompanied her in her vacation amidst this situation. Janhvi Kapoor. Recently, Janhvi along with her friends went to Maldives and posted her pictures from the exotic location. She got slammed by common people and by celebs too for uploading such images. Tiger Shroff and Disha Patani. Tiger Shroff and Disha Patani too left for Maldives in this distraught situation of Maharashtra as well as the country. People have not taken their vacation in a good way and has slammed them for not caring about people's tough situation. Moni Roy. This actress had a great time in Dubai and spent quality moments with her beau while people were suffering in India. Moni often visits Dubai to meet her beau, Suraj Nambiar, and there is no exception to that even in this time of crisis. Madhuri Dixit. The diva of Bollywood too left for her vacation when Maharashtra was facing the worst situation due to the second wave of COVID-19. While she had a great time there and posted images, people were fighting for hospital beds, oxygen, and ICU. Shilpa Shetty Kundra. Another stunning actress of Bollywood, Shilpa Shetty, made the blunder of leaving country during COVID. She went to Maldives with family and became the center of the trolls for such an irresponsible act from her. Nusrat Bharucha. In the month of February, this actress too went for vacation in Maldives and attracted slams towards her. Her vacation made her happy, but people got offended by her decision of leaving country amidst this tough time.